Ever wondered why your home-cooked meals never taste quite like those from the restaurants? The secret might be in the herbs. These little green wonders hold the power to transform your dishes from good to great. From basil to thyme, rosemary to sage, each herb brings something unique to the table. Not just flavor, herbs are also packed with impressive health benefits. So the next time you find your dish lacking that special something, remember, the answer might be in your garden. Growing your own herb garden isn't as complicated as it sounds. Think of it as an adventure, a journey into the world of vibrant flavors and aromatic wonders. The first thing you need to know is that herbs love sunlight. A location that gets at least 6 hours of direct sunlight is ideal. Next, consider the soil. It should be well-drained, fertile, and rich in organic matter. Preparing the soil may involve adding compost or organic fertilizers. Now let's talk about selection. Start with easy-to-grow herbs like basil, rosemary, and mint. As you gain confidence, you can expand your herb repertoire. Watering needs differ among herbs, but a general rule of thumb is to keep the soil slightly moist. Overwatering can be as harmful as underwatering. Having your own herb garden is not just about the aesthetic appeal. It's about freshness, availability, and the joy of harvesting your own produce. It's a cost-effective way to enhance your culinary creations. With a little effort and care, you can have a vibrant herb garden right in your backyard, providing you with fresh and flavorful herbs all year round. Herbs are the secret ingredient to a flavorful meal. And what's better than having your own fresh supply at hand? Today, we've journeyed through the magic of a herb garden and discovered how simple it can be to start our own. The benefits are clear: fresh flavors, a touch of nature at home, and the satisfaction of nurturing life. Don't forget to like this video if you found it informative. And for more gardening tips and tricks, don't hesitate to hit that subscribe button. Happy gardening!